Hey there, hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain to your GitHub Pages website. So here you can see I have my personal website and the URL is imkenyip.github.io. So I am using GitHub Pages. If you don't have your website on GitHub Pages, I have a video tutorial showing you how to host your website on GitHub Pages for free, and I'll link it in the video description below. But basically, this is my website and this is my URL. For most people, this URL is fine, but perhaps you might want to use a custom domain. So the first thing you need to do is buy a domain name. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use Squarespace domains. You can use other domain providers such as Namecheap or GoDaddy, but for me, I'm just going to use Squarespace. And back then, there used to be Google Domains, but that is no longer available since Google sold it to Squarespace. But it really doesn't matter where you buy your domain because the steps to set it up are the same. So if you want to use Squarespace, just go to domains.squarespace.com, and here you can search for domain names and purchase one. And after you purchase one, you can click on Manage Domains over here. And you can see I already have a domain purchased, and that is kenyipcoding.com. I'm just going to click on this, and you can see we have our domain. So let's go to our GitHub repository. And over here, this is the GitHub repository that I want to link my domain name for. So in your repository, go to the Settings tab, and on the left side, scroll down to Pages. And within Pages, if you scroll down, you can see there is a Custom Domains section. And over here, we need to paste our domain name. So here, I'm just going to copy this and type in www. and paste it here. And then click Save. Alright, so you should see this notification and it'll say your site is live at domain name, but if you scroll down, you can see the DNS check is in progress and it is unsuccessful. And that is because we need to update the DNS records for our domain. So over here, this link, learn more about configuring custom domains, click on it and scroll down over here, managing a custom domain for your GitHub Pages site, click on it. And then over here, if you scroll down to configuring an Apex domain, you'll see that over here, we have to create some A records. So let's go to our domains dashboard. And over here, on the domains dashboard, I'm going to click on the DNS option. And that will take you to the DNS settings and just scroll down to where it says custom records. You don't have to worry about the Squarespace Domain Connect or the Google records. Those are just left over from the transfer from when this domain used to be on Google Domains. All you need to worry about is the custom records. Okay, so click on Add Record. And for the host, you need to type in @ and for the type, you want A. The priority, you don't have to worry about that. Scroll over here and you see we have IP address. Let's go back to the GitHub page documentation and let's just copy the first one and paste it in here and then click Save. Alright, so we have one record. Now let's add another one. And over here, again, @ type is going to be A again. And for the IP address, you want the second one. And then click Save. Alright, so now we have two, and we need to do it two more times. @ type is A, scroll down, get the third one, and paste in here. Click Save. And then one more time, add record, @ type is A, get the last one, and then IP address, and then click Save. Alright, so now we have all four records added. Now we just need to add one more thing. So let's go back to the documentation. And over here, if you scroll down, GitHub basically tells you that you need to navigate to your DNS provider and create a CNAME record for www subdomain that points to your username. So this will be your username.github.io. So over here, we're going to add one more record, and the host is going to be www. Type is going to be CNAME. And over here, you want to put your username.github.io. So here I'm going to put my username and then .github.io and then click Save. Alright, so now we have the 5 records and let's go back to our GitHub Pages. So over here, I'm going to click back, and back in GitHub Pages, I'm going to scroll down. And here you can see it's doing DNS check again. And now it says DNS check successful. So for this, you might need to wait a bit. You might need to wait a few hours, but for me, it was pretty quick. So you have to wait till the DNS check finishes and is successful. And if it's not successful, just click try again after you set up the DNS records correctly and scroll up. And you can see my site is live at kenyipcoding.com, and I can click on this, visit site. And now you can see the website URL is kenyipcoding.com. Alright, so that's how you can set up a custom domain name for your GitHub Pages website. So that's it for this tutorial. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a like. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. And if you want to stay up to date for more coding tutorials like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.